It's wintertime and there's nothing like sending your customers home with a fresh, brand new, customized winter jacket, something they picked up and brought to you. So we're gonna show you how to apply vinyl to an outside jacket for the wintertime.
Hey guys, this is Banks from T-Shirtsidehustle.
And we help people start t-shirt businesses from home. Where we at?
We're at the shop.
We're at the store, not the shop.
The store.
We're at the store and we're about to show you guys how to press up these jackets right after the intro. Okay, so the artwork came in ready and prepared. So all we need to do is go ahead and get it cut and weed it. And Peanut's going to help me out a little bit on this weeding part. So let's get over here and get to the weeding. All we need to do this is heat press pillow, sleeve size. We're just going to slide it inside of the sleeve on this jacket. You definitely want to feel the material. This is the material that feels good, and you want to see if you think it's going to burn the material or not. The second jacket, I'm not 100% sure about, so I'm going to test it out before I actually press the full thing. So we're going to try to get it up kind of high, but not too far on the sleeve. So about right here. Now, got to get our pieces here. And I'm going to press it real quick just so I can get a little flat surface to work with. See how it creases. All right. I'm also going to use tape. I'm going to use heat transfer tape because just a little nervous if you close it and it shifts a little bit. So stuff like this, take the extra second to, go ahead and use some heat transfer tape. You're going to try to center it on that. Try to center it right there on the sleeve and get another piece of tape. Just want to make sure that it does not move. Jackets and stuff like that, stuff that might cost a little bit of stuff that you don't want to mess up. We're going to go ahead. All right, going to give it like a probably 4-second press. Peel this off using Caesar Easy Weed. All right. Then we're going to take our top layer to it. Position that. Close it. Right on top, we're going to let this go for the full amount of time. Then we're going to peel it and take a look at it. All right, it is pressed over the crease, which the pillow helps with. So now we got an offset with a bottom layer with the top black layer. All I did was offset the path to the outside, and then we're good to go. All right, now I do got to do a double layer again. I'm going to do this one on the left chest, kind of. I'm going to get my full pillow. Position it sideways. This is going to be a higher print over top of this zipper right here, the metal zipper. So we should be in good shape. I'm not worried about this one moving too much, and I already got a flat working surface, so I don't need to press it. So I'm just going to go ahead and position this right where I want it at. It's not a flat letter, so we good here. And just gonna press it. When you use these pillows, sometimes you gotta like let it close down before you let go, because it's gonna pop itself back open because it's pushing back on you. So now we're looking at FTC right there, and we're looking at the sleeve print right there. And I can't fit this jacket, but I'm gonna show you guys how we looking. Okay, so we looking good right there. You zip it up, a little tight on me. Flex right there, FTC for the culture, FTC. And we got a nice little jacket print right there for you guys to see. Now, all right, so we got a second jacket here. This one feels a little cheap, nothing to say the less, but it's getting the same prints, but this time only in one color. All right, actually I'm gonna press just like the sleeve to see how it handles the heat. So I'm just gonna hold the sleeve on the pallet here. I'm gonna let it press for the full time and just see how it handles the temperature before I actually press the whole jacket. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, check the inside. All right, it actually handled it pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead, load the jacket up. We got the FTC print here, which is gonna go on the left chest. A little wider than an inch. If you hear the noise in the background, the dressing room is being built finally. Boom. All right, press this down. Full time now. Not worried about these zippers or anything. These are straight metal, so not worried about the plastic melting or anything like that. It's not one of those cheap type of windbreakers. All right, got that on. Looking good, FTC there. Now we did the right arm on the other jacket, so we're gonna do the right arm again on this one. All right. With here, we're gonna get a little press in to flatten this thing out. See how put it right in between that joints. All right, got it nice and flat. Take our for the culture here. We're gonna stick it on right about here. Take that off. And we got the for the culture on the sleeves. Try this one on real quick. I'm pretty sure I can't fit this one either. And I definitely need to get the pillow out. Got a hot sleeve right there, but they got a nice little FTC right there on the sleeve of the jacket. So you guys just watch me make two different style jackets, but basically two winter coats with heat transfer vinyl. This one is definitely a polyester. This one feels like a very, very cheap polyester. So question of the day, have you pressed on like an outside winter jacket? If you have, let me know how it went. Did you find it easy? Did you need tape? Did you need to use, did you use a pillow? Did you not use a pillow? How did that project come out for you? If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe because I make videos like this all the time. And also go hit that like button just because you made it this far. This has been your boy Stan Banks showing you how to press up some outside jackets. Peace. Okay, so we're at the tshirtsidehustle website and I'm going to show you guys how to request an actual video. So I'm just going to go to menu, I'm going to go to resources, and then here's cut settings, stay and suggested heat presses, and then video request. Okay, here it basically just says, I'm not going to promise you that I'll get to everybody, but whenever I'm looking for an idea or something to make a video on, I will check this page and see what you guys have. This is a lot better than leaving it in the comments, although you can leave it in the comments and I'll see it. But if I don't get to that video right away, I'll forget about it. But come over here and place your suggestions. So now I can just come to this list and pull up some videos, ideas, and then go ahead and go through them. So you just put your name, your email, and you leave a comment with your suggestion, and then It'll get posted and I'll see it. Everybody will see it and check the list for your idea first. And then